Hey guys, today I'm doing some maintenance on the iRobot Roomba i3.
All right, so this was donated to Wyatt. This is the iRobot Roomba i3, not the Plus. We already have the i3 Plus, but this was donated to him and it's missing some parts. So he is going to put the brushes in, replace the filter, and see if we can get it working. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at it. So it came without the rolling brushes and it came without the little wheel in the front. So that just pops right in.
And then these go here.
Got some new rolling brushes for it. And he's gonna change out the filter. Ooh, that needed a change, didn't it? That hasn't been changed in a while. All right.
We definitely need a new one.
Definitely needs a new filter.
That is disgusting. I can literally smell it.
Is this one all charged, Wyatt? Okay.
What the?
A little bit of dirt in there.
A lot. A little bit of dirt. There we go.
Okay. Just like new. Let's see if it works. It works. You fixed it. All right, good job, buddy.
Yay.